Hey everyone, this is the Backyard Herbalist, also known as Mrs. LDS Prepper. I'm here to announce and invite you to an herbal remedy making workshop this Saturday, May 21st. This workshop is all about grid down survival medicine making. Grid down survival medicine making is about being prepared to take care of yourself and your loved ones so that when medical treatment's not accessible or available, it's your knowledge that will be the doctor that saves you. So I'll be covering a lot of herbs and their medicinal uses, foods that heal. We'll be talking about instructions for making herbal infusions, hot infusions, cold infusions, long infusions, decoctions, and a whole bunch of other things that you can do with medicinal teas. We'll be putting together an antiseptic spray that'll be good to add to your first aid supplies. We'll be making a styptic powder for stopping bleeding. And then we'll be doing some fun things with foods, making an herbal sprinkle that is quite tasty, and some anti-diarrhea capsules. So the in-person sessions, the morning session from 9 a.m. to noon, and the afternoon session from 1 to 4 p.m. includes all the supplies for making the 6 take-home remedies. You'll get an information packet when you register, which has all of the recipes and a resource list for the herbs and supplies used in the workshop. Plus, you'll get lifetime access to the video of the workshop. Location is at my home in Shelley, Idaho. The information packet will include a map and directions on how to get here. If you cannot attend on Saturday but would like to view the class virtually, you can sign up for the virtual class. You'll get the information packet which has all the recipes and the resource list for the herbs and supplies you need to purchase so you can make the remedies at home. You'll also get lifetime access to the video of the workshop. The first 10 people who register for the class are going to receive a bonus. Most of the herbs we'll be working with in this workshop are common kitchen herbs and spices, as well as common herbs that can be cultivated in most any location. These remedies don't require a lot of supplies or resources or time, and that makes them perfect for a grid down survival situation. Hope you can make it. Go to the LDS Prepper store to register. Class, from what I understand, the in-person classes are already about half full. There's unlimited seating in the virtual class, of course. So if you're interested and available, please go to ldsprepperstore.com and register for the class. Hope to see you there on Saturday. This is Mrs. LDS Prepper, also known as the Backyard Herbalist, encouraging you to grow your own and make your own. And that's what these classes are all about.